Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ANKR token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, ANKR is a foundational Web3 infrastructure provider that operates a global network of nodes to deliver reliable access to blockchain data and services for developers and users. Core infrastructure, it maintains a decentralized network of nodes across 75 plus blockchains, providing the essential backend connectivity that powers the app and services. Developer services, its platform offers tools like high performance RPC APIs, simplified node deployment, and liquid staking solutions to lower barriers to building on Web3. Utility token, the ANKR token is used for payments, receiving discounts on services, staking for rewards, and participating in ecosystem governance. ANKR token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is also 10 billion ANKR token. ANKR token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.